Hello everyone, welcome to our first lesson of innovative teaching methods for teaching foreign languages. Today's our topic is gamification in foreign language teaching. At the end of the lesson, you are going to be able to define key concepts, identify suitable tools, evaluate benefits and challenges, design gamified activities. Let's explain some key terms. What is gamification? The application of game elements and mechanics in non-game contexts to engage learners and enhance learning experiences. Game-based learning, using actual games to teach educational content, where the primary purpose is entertainment, but learning occurs incidentally or as a byproduct. What is game mechanics? Elements like points, badges, leaderboards, and challenges that designers use to engage a learner and guide their actions. After finish a game, students should give some badges or points to motivate them, improving our teaching process. Player types. Different student motivations and preferences in gamified environments, including achievement-oriented, social, competitive, and exploration-focused learners. Why gamification in language learning? Gamification boosts students' enthusiasm and participation through rewards and challenges. It encourages collaboration and peer interaction, maximizing speaking practice. This system provides instant responses, helping learners quickly identify and correct mistakes, reduce stress, and create safe spaces for language practice and risk-taking. Positive emotions during learning enhance memory, encoding, and knowledge retention. Games accommodate various learning styles and proficiency levels through customizable challenges. What kind of top gamification tools for Kazakhstani schools? Most of you know Kahoot. Yeah, it's interactive quiz with competitions, real-time multiplayers, game-based learning, and the tracks progress. At the end of this game, we have the winner and rank there. Our next tool is Quizlet Live. It will be used for collaborative vocabulary games. Classcraft. It's very useful for role-playing games for classroom. And Duolingo, I think most of you know, language learning with rewards. Word wall, customized activities, various activities type here. You can using the flashcards for the new vocabulary definition, and also doing some ask and answer questions based on the content. What are the benefits of gamification? Gamification taps into students' internal motivation, making learning enjoyable and self-rewarding. Becomes associated with positive emotions, enhancing memory retention and recall. It creates a low anxiety setting where students feel safe to take risks and learn from errors. Encourages healthy competition. Game elements like points and the leaderboards foster friendly competitions and diverse engagement. Builds community. Collaborative challenges and team-based games create bonds and foster classroom community. Abstract language rules become tangible through game mechanisms and interactive activities. What are the challenges? It certainly, of course, technology access, address limitation in device availability and internet connectivity in some schools. Ensure game learners enhance rather than detract from learning objectives. Factor in preparation time and implementation logics. Maintain equilibrium between engagement and educational value. Design activity for diverse learning styles and abilities. How will you address these challenges in your classroom? Student engagement strategies, effective approach to maximize student applications. We can use Kazakh cultural elements like incorporate local traditions and cultural references into game design to create relevance and a connection to students. Narrative-based challenges, create a story-driven game scenarios that connect to your curriculum and provide meaningful context for language learning. Balance digital and non-digital activities. Create harmony between technology-based and traditional game methods to accommodate different learning styles and resource availability. Theme-based competitions foster community and collaboration through group challenges that encourage peer learning and support. Visual progress tracking, implement dashboards and visual metrics to help students see their improvements and stay motivated. Impact on teaching quality. Shifts teacher role to facilitator and guide, fostering student autonomy and engagement. Provide rich data for formative assessment, enabling personalized feedback. Encourages innovative lesson design and diverse teaching approaches. Promotes learner autonomy and student-led activity, enhancing motivation. Develops technological skills alongside language competence, preparing students for digital communication. We are going to see some examples. For vocabulary building, we use word wall tools. For example, create a random wheel, upload Kazakh English words, pairs for your lesson topic. Students spin the wheel and create sentence with words. And after the game, we give some points for correct usage and the pronunciation. Speaking practice, we can use the tool Flipgrid. It is a video platform for interactive speaking activities. Design speaking tasks with prompts about the Kazakhstani culture, and the students record the video, answer to teachers' prompts. Students rate each other's videos using a game-style systems and give a budget for fluency, pronunciation, and creativity. Grammar practice, we can use a tool like quizzes for grammar practice. Use the local examples and the scenarios in grammar exercises. Set time to create urgency and improve recall. Add fun visuals for correct answers. For example, choose correct verbs form like this. Getting started step-by-step guide. So we have a 6 steps process to implement gamification in your English classroom. The first step is identify learning objectives, then select game mechanisms, choose a tool, create instructions, test and refine. The last step is implement with reflection. So apply today's concept to your teaching practice. It will be your homework assignment. You do the task based on these steps. Thank you for attention. See you later.